so that's the assembly there, and when you're all done, you've got the frame on, the top on, and the only thing you have to be careful about is, you can notice I scooted it forward out of my area, is I usually pick it up and move it forward so I don't scratch the deck. Okay, next up is to put on the legs. Now, there's hundreds of legs jig, and we all have our own, and I'll show you what mine is. So this is my leg jig. All right, so we all know that there's a spacing. You have to get a space from the frame this way, right? And then you have to have them spaced out properly. Of course, you want them against the wall here. And then you want to drill your screws, I'm sorry, your bolt holes in nice and straight, okay? I've done it a couple different ways. This is the way I've landed on after doing this for a couple of years. And so the way this works is, okay, got some Milescraft drill blocks on the end. I lay this in, and it slips right over my frame, okay? This rests on the frame, and it puts it at the right height this way, up and down, okay? And then this hole, and it matches this hole over here, and it's the right distance that way, and it's the right distance up and down. Okay, so now that I've got the right spot, take my legs, put them in there like that, put that one in there like that, okay, 1/4 inch drill bit. With this you can clamp it if you want to, okay, or you can just hold it with your hand. I found that I'd be able to hold it with my hand, but the key, like all jigs, is to make sure everything's in the right spot. So push up against, hold it with my hand. Drill that hole. Come over here, make sure it's lined up there, make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. Okay, now the benefit of doing it this way, I have found, is that the hole in your frame matches the hole in your leg. So if you're off the same, okay? So after I do that, pull my jig off, okay? Set that off to the side, grab my bolt, push it through. Okay, one bolt, grab my second bolt, usually push it through. Sometimes it takes a little bit of motivation. Okay, washer, wing nut, and it is all on, okay? One. There you go. So that is one whole top assembled. I'll let it dry, and then I'll come back after it's dried and I will sand it, and this thing's ready to go.